Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video for you. Walmart released its top toy catalog. It's always a hit in my house. The girls, they go through, they circle everything that they want for the holidays. We send it to Santa, aunts, uncles, grandparents, and they get that personalized list. It makes it easier for everybody. They also have great deals. So I had my youngest daughter, she's 8. She's into everything. So you're gonna see a really good mix today. And I'm partnering with Walmart to give you this video. So if you like these kind of hauls, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the haul. We have our first toy, and this one is the Thing. It's a remote control from, what show is that?
From Wednesday.
From Wednesday. I grew up watching the movie versions. I know Christina Ricci was Wednesday, Angelica, I think Houston was Morticia, and then my girls, they watch the Wednesday show. So this is so adorable. It's for ages 8 and up. It moves like that, comes nicely packaged, and you can test it out. But I always love these kind of remote control toys. I think you can't go wrong for so many different age groups. Just fun to have around. We want to play with the dog with this one. It was very easy to remove from the packaging. I would say scissors are not required. They have a little rope that you can untie, and then also a piece of plastic holding the remote control. The remote control does take 2 AAA batteries. They do have them included, and the hand is USB rechargeable, so it has the little prong that you're going to connect to one of your boxes. This one is $29.95, ages 8 and up, and everybody has loved taking turns moving the little hand around, so it's definitely a hit. This one is the Yummy Land Lip Gloss Truck. This one is for ages 4 to 10. It's $29.94. This one's also pretty easy to remove from the packaging. There's 2 pieces of tape on each side, and then the box kind of slides out. They also have little ties at the bottom, makes it easy to remove the truck. And then all of the little accessories are all in their own little plastic packaging, so you just rip that right off. It comes with a nice sized jar of unscented lip gloss, and you're gonna put that into your little mixing bowl at the top. They give you 2 flavors to choose from. Lily went with the pink, and then you just mix it around until the pink and the clear are blended together. Then you take your lip gloss mixture, you put it in the little slot, and they have a plunger that you're gonna stick in there. It's gonna make the lip gloss swirl out just like ice cream. So this next one is from Cookies Makery, and last year this was the hard to find toy. It was the oven, and they were constantly sold out. You definitely could not buy them online. I love these because there's like endless fun with them. You get the appliance, you also get a pet, and then you also get a dough. So it's just really a fun toy. This year they have a refrigerator. So this is the Cookies Makery Freeze Cakes Fridge. It's, you mix the cake, chill it in the fridge, and it makes a surprise pet. The pet's options are Tiger Berry Ripple, Strawberry Unicake, and a Minty Polar Bear. How cute are all they? I wonder which one you're gonna get.
I hope I get a unicorn.
You want the unicorn? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna see. So this one is $29.97, ages 5 to 13. Another one that was super easy to unpackage. It's always my worst nightmare on Christmas morning is opening the toys. It's the hardest thing for me. This comes with one package of dough. There's a little measuring cup. There's a cake pan, and then another package that has the frosting. So you take the dough mixture, add the water from the measuring cup. You're gonna supply your own bowl and also the cup of water. You mix it together until it turns into a dough, and then you place it into the cake pan. And you're going to take the icing, you lay it on top. It's kind of its own dough texture. And there's also another cute little accessory. You remove the yellow prongs from the oven. Don't forget this step I did before. And then you set the timer to 10. You add the cake. And then 10 seconds later, it's going to bing. And ta-da! Look how cute she got the one she wanted.
I want to smell it. Let me smell it.
Smells delicious.
Isn't it cute?
The next one is My Really Real Puppy. It's from Little Live Pets. And this one is labeled a top toy. It's $49.97. It looks like it is in limited stock in the Beagle, which is the one Lily got. They also have a Siberian Husky version. And they're $49.97, ages 5 to 13. This is what it looks like up close. So I know that there's different like little things that each one has a different color, different, it's uniquely yours. There's 1 in 72. So if you're interested in this one, I wouldn't wait. So this one is pretty easy to take out of the packaging. You do need a little scissor because on the sides there's 2 little pieces of plastic to remove the top. I don't think you can use anything but scissors or clippers to get that off. This one comes with its own little birth certificate, and you can see, you can check off if it has a blue, brown, or green eyes, the color of its collar, and then they also all have their own unique little birthmark. This one had a little clover, and then you just open it up, it's ready to go.
10 is my Coco.
That is Peter Good's bottle.
It sounds like it's drinking.
And then cut its nose.
Yeah, I did that before, 8 years ago.
And then lay it down.
And the back. Okay, now to the...
And then next we have, this is the Hatchimals Alive Mystery Hatch exclusive 6.5-inch Puppy. It's originally $59.97. It's on sale right now for $49. Ages 5 and up. And this one is a mystery, so they have a couple different options on this. You can get either a puffercorn. We got the Puppy. There's a purple and a darker purple, and then a draggle. How cute are they? There's an orange and a purple. So we'll see which one we get.
attaching from this side. It smells like fire. Burning. It's smelly gas, don't smell gas. Oh my god, I'm twisting it to this side. It's hatching from there. I see your eyes. Oh my god. Oh, it's hot. I got this. It's a fur.
It's a blue one.
Oh, dang. I think one is the pink one, so
The
it's
dark purple.
No. This piggy. Baby. Why don't we just do this? Ta-da! It's out. It's out. Wait, I want to turn it on this. Ah! You can't have a small.
Happy birthday to you.
No. Fine, save it for you. Here, this is it. Let's pull it out. This is for the MSMR. It's out. It's need to get out. It's wrapped up. And pull more. It's with the hatch more. Who wants these pieces for you? Who wants these pieces? Wait, I want to see it. Break it out of the shell. Wait, I want to hold it. No, I want to hold it. Ta-da! Goo-goo gaga, smell like poo. We got it live.
So you pissed?
Wait a minute. It's flying. Wait, why is it flying? It's flying.
No, so you lift me up and down to make my wings flutter.
Wait, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
And then go side to side to make a dance.
It's dancing.
Touch its belly
Okay.
to tickle me. Next up is definitely a classic. What is it, Lily?
Easy Bake Oven.
Yeah, so she was really excited. It's on the same page in the catalog as the Yummy Land truck. This one's $44.97, and this one's also for 8 and up. So I know that some kids were, when I was younger, a little upset that they couldn't get the Easy Bake Oven earlier, and I'm so happy that all of my daughters love this. I don't think you can go wrong with it. Thankfully, you don't need a light bulb like you did when I was a kid anymore, but you do need the cake mixes. We didn't get any, so they don't have any included. I think years ago when my oldest daughter was younger, they did have the cake mixes so you could make one thing, but this year they don't have them. So you have pretty much everything you need. All you have to do is get the different mixes. For stocking stuffers, little smaller gifts, under $10. If you're giving a gift card, you don't know what to, you wanna throw a little something, these are perfect. Kids love these. They're the Miniverse. This is Make It Mini Birthday. This one is ages 8 and up. It's $9.97. They're so fun, just like a little activity. There's a bunch of different options you can get. There's it looks like a birthday cake table, a little tropical kind of island table, and then a little picnic style table. So we're making the s'mores dirt cups. You get the 2 mugs. That's what they look
And
like.
the ingredients.
You get 2 spoons. How cute. These little spoons. You got cocoa powder. It actually has cocoa powder inside.
Wait, I want to see. 2. Oh my god, it's so cool. Definitely not boring.
And then there's little marshmallow fluff. I'm gonna open it. It says do not eat it.
Okay, can I eat it?
It says don't eat it.
No, it's definitely lying. It's Lio Pants on Fire. And I want to see what's in it.
So that's the marshmallow fluff.
It's good. Okay, let's see this
The
one.
graham
Do
crackers.
this one. No, do this one.
And then the little accessories.
Can you open it?
Yeah, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop. Oh, and there's also a chocolate bar.
I love chocolate.
So
Ew, it smells bad.
scoop some of the powder into the bottom of the cups. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.